Did you know that a fruit enjoyed since ancient times could hold the key to better health? The pomegranate, with its vibrant red seeds, has been a symbol of prosperity and health for millennia. The pomegranate, with its jewel-like seeds, is more than just a beautiful fruit. Its rich, tangy flavor has made it a favorite in culinary traditions across the globe, from the Middle East to the Mediterranean. For centuries, it has been prized for its medicinal properties in cultures around the world. Ancient Egyptians were buried with pomegranates, believing they offered eternal life. In Greek mythology, the fruit is linked to the story of Persephone and the changing seasons. Today, modern science is confirming what many have long believed. Pomegranates are a true superfood. Studies have shown that pomegranates are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help combat inflammation and oxidative stress. From heart health to brain function, pomegranates offer a wide range of potential benefits. Regular consumption has been linked to improved cardiovascular health, reduced blood pressure, and even enhanced memory and cognitive function. Researchers are uncovering the secrets behind this fruit's power, revealing a complex mix of antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. These include punicalagins and anthocyanins, which are known for their potent anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Join us as we delve into the world of pomegranates, exploring the latest scientific findings and uncovering the truth behind this ancient fruit's modern-day health claims. We'll look at how pomegranates are grown, harvested, and processed, and hear from experts about the best ways to incorporate this superfood into your diet. Whether you enjoy it as juice, in salads, or as a snack, the pomegranate is a versatile and delicious way to boost your health. By the way, if you're interested in health products, we've compiled a list of our top recommended products. You can find these recommendations in the description box below. What makes the pomegranate so special? This vibrant fruit, with its jewel-like seeds, has been celebrated for centuries, not just for its taste, but for its remarkable health benefits. The answer lies in its unique nutritional profile. Pomegranates are often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, substances that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants are crucial in maintaining overall health and preventing various diseases. Free radicals are unstable molecules that contribute to aging and disease. They can damage cells, proteins, and DNA by altering their chemical structure. One of the most notable antioxidants in pomegranates is punicalagin. This compound is found in particularly high concentrations in the juice and peel of the fruit. Punicalagin is a powerful antioxidant found in particularly high concentrations in pomegranate juice. It has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It is thought to be responsible for many of the fruit's health benefits. Regular consumption of pomegranate juice can lead to improved heart health, better digestion, and even enhanced memory. In addition to punicalagin, pomegranates contain other beneficial compounds like anthocyanins, tannins, and vitamin C, all contributing to its antioxidant power. These compounds work together to provide a wide range of health benefits, making pomegranates a versatile and valuable addition to any diet. Whether you enjoy them as fresh seeds, juice, or supplements, incorporating pomegranates into your daily routine can be a delicious way to boost your health. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide. Affecting millions of people each year, it encompasses a range of conditions, including heart attacks, strokes, and heart failure. The quest for effective prevention and treatment methods is ongoing, with researchers constantly exploring new avenues. Could the humble pomegranate hold the key to better heart health? This vibrant fruit, often celebrated for its rich color and sweet tart flavor, is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. But beyond its culinary appeal, the pomegranate is gaining recognition for its potential cardiovascular benefits. Studies suggest that pomegranates may improve heart health by reducing blood pressure, improving cholesterol levels, and preventing plaque buildup in arteries. These effects are attributed to the high levels of polyphenols and other bioactive compounds found in the fruit. Polyphenols are known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can protect the heart and blood vessels from damage. Research has shown that drinking pomegranate juice regularly can help lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. This is significant because high blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease. By keeping blood pressure in check, pomegranate juice can contribute to overall cardiovascular health. It also appears to improve the function of the endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels. A healthy endothelium is crucial for maintaining proper blood flow and preventing the formation of blood clots. Pomegranates help by enhancing the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels. By improving blood flow and reducing risk factors, pomegranates may play a significant role in maintaining a healthy heart. Incorporating pomegranates into your diet, whether through fresh fruit, juice, or supplements, could be a simple yet effective way to support cardiovascular health. As research continues, the pomegranate's status as a heart health hero only seems to grow stronger. Inflammation is a natural process that helps your body heal. However, chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Pomegranates contain potent anti-inflammatory compounds that may help combat this chronic inflammation. Studies have shown that pomegranate extract can reduce inflammation markers in the body. This anti-inflammatory effect is attributed to the presence of punicalagins and other beneficial compounds. By reducing inflammation, pomegranates may help protect against a range of chronic diseases. Can eating pomegranates improve your memory and protect your brain from age-related decline? Well, emerging research suggests that it's possible. Pomegranates contain compounds that may benefit cognitive function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Studies have shown that pomegranate juice consumption can improve memory and learning in older adults. It is thought that the antioxidants in pomegranates protect brain cells from damage and reduce inflammation, potentially slowing down cognitive decline. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that pomegranates may have anti-cancer properties. Certain compounds in pomegranates have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in laboratory and animal studies. While these findings are promising, it's important to note that more research is needed to determine if pomegranates have a direct impact on cancer prevention or treatment in humans. However, the potential benefits of pomegranates in this area are certainly worth further exploration. The good news is that incorporating pomegranates into your diet is both easy and delicious. You can enjoy the juicy seeds on their own, add them to salads and yogurt, or blend them into smoothies. Pomegranate juice is another popular option, but be mindful of added sugar content. You can also find pomegranate extract in supplement form. Whether you prefer to savor the fresh seeds or opt for a convenient supplement, there are many ways to experience the health benefits of this remarkable fruit. While generally safe for consumption, pomegranates can interact with certain medications. It's always best to consult with your doctor before adding pomegranate to your diet, especially if you are taking any medications. Additionally, pomegranate juice can be acidic and may erode tooth enamel over time. It's a good idea to drink it with a straw and rinse your mouth with water afterwards. From its vibrant red seeds to its long history of medicinal use, the pomegranate is a true gift from nature. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and other beneficial compounds, this ancient fruit offers a modern solution for better health. Whether you enjoy it as a snack, add it to your meals, or take it in supplement form, consider making pomegranate a part of your daily routine. Unlock the power of this ancient fruit and experience the health benefits for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like for more health tips. Don't forget to check our top recommended products. You can find these recommendations in the description box below.